and more what I am, what I truly am, and I feel like a new human. For real. I saw pictures of me for the first day and the graduation day, and it is not the same person anymore. So it changed everything. I think I stand right in front of a new chapter, and it starts now.
I'm here with recent graduate Leah from the InnerSea program, and thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what was going on in your life that had you wanting to do yoga teacher training?
Oh wow, a lot. I wanted to dive deeper into my body, and yoga helped me to come over a very hard illness in my spine, and it really crushes me, and I was like, I didn't keep care of myself, and then the yoga always guided me a little bit through that, and I felt so uncomfortable, didn't be in touch with myself, and then I stayed in touch with yoga, and it became better and better, and I feel myself now more and more, and so I wanted to do this yoga teacher training 4 years ago, and it didn't work out, and then I did the physiotherapy education, and then now I do it at the end of my physiotherapy education, and now I'm a yoga teacher.
Amazing. Why did you choose InnerSea?
It comes my way. I wanted to go to Costa Rica. I came here 10 years ago, and it touched my heart so much, the nature and the animals, and it was just pure life. And I know that I will do the yoga teacher training in Costa Rica. So I searched for a yoga teacher training nearby the sea, because I love the ocean, and in Costa Rica, and I found InnerSea.
Great. And what was your favorite thing about the course program itself?
Everything. For real. It was hard sometimes, and I loved the re-questioning of and reflecting of meditation, of the yoga practice, of just diving, it allows me diving deeper into my senses and feel more and more what I am, what I truly am, and I feel like a new human. For real. I saw pictures of me for the first day and the graduation day, and it is not the same person anymore. So it changed everything. I think I stand right in front of a new chapter, and it starts now.
Amazing, amazing. If someone was thinking about joining but they weren't sure, they were on the fence, what would you tell them?
Do it if you feel called to that. And go inside in your deep inner heart, you will know it, and when it feels right, go for it.
Thank you so much, Leah.